Click on the File tab, then click on Info. Click on the Check for Issues down arrow, then click on Inspect Document. Uncheck Comments, check off Document Properties and Personal Information. Scroll down, and then check off Hidden Rows and Columns. Click on Inspect. Click on Remove All, then click on Close. Click on Check Accessibility, and you can review the results on the right side of the screen. Click on the arrow next to Merge Cells. Click on the down arrow. Click on Unmerge. Click on the Hard to Read Text Contrast down arrow. Click on Arrow Right 3. In this example, we're going to change the font color to black. And you can see here that there's a reason for why the change is recommended.